I were to be a young Nigerian and I'm looking for a website that can actually help me to make $1,000 before the end of this year, I'll be looking at website that accept only Africans, not website that accept worldwide, website that accept Africans, whether you are from South Africa, you are from Nigeria, you are from Ghana, you are from Togo, you are from Congo, you are from Zimbabwe, from wherever you are in Africa. These are the websites that I will be looking out for. Now, I have made a list of 10 websites that actually accept Africans, even if you're from Nigeria. Now, these 10 websites do not include Fiverr and Upwork, because Fiverr and Upwork seems to be very crowded these days. So, this website I'll be listing out a website that you can actually upskill with and make up to $1,000 before the end of this year. Before then, if you're seeing our video for the very first time, my name is Kemi and I'm the face behind Self Hustle. Please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and let us know where you're watching us from. And also, if you are a returning subscriber as usual, I will love you and will keep loving you. So let's head straight into the video. First website we'll be looking at is called Freelancercom. Now, Freelancer.com is a global crowdsourcing platform that allows employers to actually post a job, and the freelancers on that platform will actually bid for such job. So if you are the type of individual that has a skill, please go head straight to Freelancer.com and start bidding for jobs. Now, there are certain popular skills on Freelancer.com. It involves writing. If you know you are a writer, Freelancer.com is your go-to. If you also know that you are a virtual assistant, Freelancer.com is your go-to. If you are a graphic designer, Freelancer.com is your go-to. Our number 2 is Indeed.com. Now, a lot of you do not also understand that Indeed.com, as much as Indeed is a place where you search for remote jobs, it is also a place where you go on as a freelancer to actually look for freelancer jobs that you can do. Indeed is a platform, is a all-in-one platform that actually has jobs for remote workers, and it has jobs for local workers. So you can head straight to Indeed.com if you're a freelancer looking to start your career. And also, there are popular jobs on Indeed.com. We have jobs like proofreading and editing services, we have jobs like copywriting, we have jobs like virtual assistant, we have jobs like customer service jobs. Those are popular jobs on Indeed.com. Number 3 website is Guru.com. Now, Guru.com works in a different way, because what they do on Guru.com is like a platform where employers come to post the type of jobs they are looking for, where you as a freelancer will send a sample of your own job to your employer. You understand? That is how Guru.com works. Now, there are popular services on Guru.com. It is not, Guru.com is unlike other platforms. There are platforms that are very common on that particular website. It involves programming, virtual assistants, coding. Those are the services that are popular on Guru.com. Number 4 website is called Topcom. Now, Topcom is a talent hub. They only accept applications of talented individuals. You understand? So if you know that you do not have a talent, please do not apply on Topcom. Topcom already has their own employers, like association employers. They actually have jobs for you. So it is unlike other websites where you actually sign up and start bidding or posting your gig. No, Topcom will actually pick you. They will pick you. So there are services that you need to have before you can actually send application to them. Services such as writing. If you have a writing skill, you are good to go. If you know that you can read, you can write, you are good to go on Topcom. Our number 5 is 99 Design. Now, as the name implies, 99 Design is for designers. I mean graphic designers. If you know that you can draw, you can design on art, you can create imaginary artwork, please go on 99 Designs and just sign up and start putting up your gig on 99 Design as a freelancer. number 6 on this list is Contently.com. Now, Contently.com, as the name implies, is only for those that have content. If you know that you are the type that you are good with written poetry, written words, just go on Contently.com and sign up. It doesn't matter your location. Now, all these websites I have actually listed are websites that will actually accept you, and their payment method are either Payoneer or PayPal. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what to support your girl by hitting the subscribe button, like this video, and share. The next one on this list is called Yolbay.com. Now, Yolbay.com has over 50 different categories of freelancing. So it doesn't matter your category or your level. Yolbay.com is your go-to. Whether you are a newbie, starter, or you are an advanced or a professional or an intermediate or something like that, just go on Yolbay.com and sign up as a freelancer. Number 8 on this list is Gig Nigeria. Now, as the name implies, it's basically for Nigerians. So sorry, this is not generally for Africans. It's basically for Nigerians. Gigs Nigeria has a variety of jobs. Now, these jobs include business support jobs, advertising jobs, computer programming jobs, and these jobs are jobs that can actually pay you up to 100,000 naira if you are in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria and you have a skill, head straight to Gigs Nigeria and sign up and start picking freelancer jobs from Gigs Nigeria. Our number 9 on this list is Just From 5K. As the name implies, Just From 5K offer jobs from 5K upwards. Now, it doesn't matter whether you don't know what you want to do or you are new on this platform. Try and head straight to jobfrom5k.com, because jobfrom5k.com has errands that you can do, not necessarily something with a skill. You understand? Maybe someone is in a far location looking for someone to go to market for him or her, if you're in Lagos or you're in Abuja. So just from 5k.com is your go-to if you are looking for easy errands or simple freelance tax jobs that you can easily do. Now, the last but not the least is called SGeek.com. Believe you me, SGeek.com is basically or majorly for local freelancers. Where if you are in Nigeria, SGeek.com is your go-to. Maybe you have been looking for a job for a very long time and you can't find any. Just head straight to SGeek.com. Because they have local jobs where they will pay you real salary as they employ you, and they have a lot of jobs on SGeek.com. Now, with the list of those 10 freelancing websites that I've actually listed for you, do not tell me that you cannot find a job or you can't get a job. Whether you are an OND holder or you have a WAEC or you have a bachelor's degree, just try and pick a freelancing website and sign up there and see what that website actually has to offer. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.